That's great.
With the fuel pump has an off air, they make a fuel pump. Yeah. But those are
I remember when Donnie bought this car, 1985, in the parked on the side of the road, and we were starting it with the switch underneath the bonnet, and it was a bit of work needed on it back then, eh?
Oh,
well,
yeah,
it went.
absolutely. Yeah, it did go.
It went, but it was all original Morrie stuff.
Yeah.
She's born again.
Born again!
Yeah, born again. Yeah, second time
She's
round.
born again.
I'll show you on the bonnet. It just looks
Really
like,
nice.
it just looks like it. Oh, there's paintwork. I've got to do some work because I've got overspray. Oh, it's a Japanese A12 GX engine, competition engine from Japan. I've had it since, well, it's been in there since 1986, and I've just found out recently what it is. And it's standard with the twin SUs, and I've had some handmade extractors for it, so it goes a bit better. And it's done about 80,000 kilometres since I did the motor up and acid dipped it and stuff like that. And yeah, and we ground the cam 2565 because it likes the rev, and so I thought it'd make it breathe a bit better with the extractors. And
So how long have you had the vehicle?
Oh, November 84 I bought it, and had it on the road April 85, and yeah.
What is it? What's
model? It's a Morris Minor Ute, Series 2, 1955.
Wow, that's fantastic. Nice job, isn't it, eh?
Finally the stress has subsided. It's a bit squeezy to get in with my dicky knee.
Donnie's firing it up. Oh, lovely.
That's the cam's a bit lumpy. Well,
Beautiful. Thank
take
you.
you for a run around the street.
Will you?
Yeah.
Kids
Nice
looking.
little mate. When I was driving down to the transport department the other day from Pomona to Toronto, I got 3 thumbs up on the way down, and I got 2 thumbs up on the road home to your money. To Toronto.
Oh, that's great.
It's only a 4-speed gearbox, but you know, it goes really well, I reckon.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Lovely. Compulsory job.
Yeah. It's a bit firm in the suspension.
Solid, bit solid.
63 years old though.
Woo!
it's just a nice little car to ride. A bit firm, but then it's no firmer than it ever was. It's just that new cars are so soft in the suspension these days, you know.
Wow. Beautiful. Thank you, sir.
No worries.